Welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reply to an Instagram story. So first let's go to an Instagram story and then we will see how you can reply to it. So for example, I'll go to any particular page which have their story right now. So as here you can see that this page have their story. So for example, if you come to story and you want to reply to it, then what you can do is here you can see this line which says send message. So simply tap on this icon and now you can type your custom reply or message to the story. So for example, I'll simply type in a reply like, and then you need to hit this arrow button right here to send your reply. So for example, if you want to reply this, you can see that the message has been sent. So in order to check onto this message, you need to click on this messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then click on that particular chat to which you have replied. So here you can see that the reply has been successfully sent for this particular story. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.